In 2017, I launched an online business called Jumpbooks.lk. If you haven't heard of Jumpbooks.lk, it's an online bookstore where we sell non-fiction books that can help Sri Lankans to become better. Ever since I launched my business in 2017, we have served more than 2,000 customers in Sri Lanka. Now, when I started my business, I didn't have a payment gateway. So there was no way for me to get payments through credit cards and debit cards. Why? Because to accept credit cards and debit cards, you need an internet payment gateway. Now, back in 2017, I didn't have a payment gateway because why? Because payment gateways were expensive. Only the local banks provided payment gateways and they were really expensive, and I didn't have any money to get a payment gateway. Some of them had annual fees, some of them had a setup fee. So I didn't bother getting a payment gateway. So back in the days, I had only cash on delivery as the payment option. But now I have a payment gateway and it's called PayHere.lk. Now, if you haven't heard of PayHere.lk, check out their website. Those guys, the best part of PayHere.lk is there's no setup fees. It's completely free of charge. All you need is a business registration. As long as your business is registered as a sole proprietorship or a partnership or a private limited, you can get their payment gateway. And ever since I integrated their payment gateway to my website, I've been accepting online payments. Now, back in the days, even when I integrated the PayHere payment gateway, most customers, they were selecting cash on delivery. If you look at the percentage, 90% of all the orders were cash on delivery. Maybe about 10% were paid online. But today I'm seeing more Sri Lankans are willing to make their payments online using their credit cards and debit cards, right? Now, before COVID-19, the spread was about 50-50. 50% being cash on delivery and 50% being online payments. But after COVID-19, 95% of all the payments have been online payments, right? Why? Probably because most people, they don't have cash at hand, so more people are willing to make payments online using their credit cards and debit cards. The trend I see in the market is in the future there will be more people, not just the millennials, even the older generation, they will be comfortable making payments online. And if you are running any kind of an online business, you need to get a payment gateway. You need to have a payment gateway, otherwise you are missing out a lot. So my recommendation is go check out PayHere.lk. That's the payment gateway that I'm using, and they have so many features. You don't necessarily have to have a website. You can even send links, payment links via SMS or via WhatsApp or even via Facebook and Instagram, so that your customers can easily pay using their credit cards and debit cards. The best part of PayHere.lk is there's no setup fee. It's completely free to start, and if you are just starting out, I definitely recommend PayHere.lk. And for every transaction, of course, there is a fee, and they have 3 plans. I'll add all those links in the description so that you can compare between the plans to decide which plan suits best. So yes, if you are running any kind of an online business, get a payment gateway. Now, if you are interested in setting up your own online business and if you have no clue what to do, I have a workshop for you. It's called E-commerce Essentials, how to start a successful online business. Basically, I'm going to teach you everything that I have learned for 3 years so that you don't have to go through all the mistakes, all the errors that I made, right? So you're going to learn how to decide what to sell online. You're going to learn how and why to register your business. We are going to talk about registering your business as a sole proprietorship as well as a private limited. Next, we are going to talk about how to create an e-commerce website. Now, most people think we need technical skills when it comes to building a website, but trust me, I don't have any technical skills, but I have created a beautiful e-commerce website, so I'm going to teach you how to do just that. Next, we are going to talk about packaging and labeling, and most importantly, we are going to talk about how to deliver your products throughout Sri Lanka. Why? Because delivery is an area that can make or break your online business. We are going to talk about how to integrate a payment gateway to your website. And finally, we are going to talk about how to market your website. So if you have no clue as to how to start and set up your own online business, join my workshop. By the time you finish the workshop, you'll know exactly how to set up and run your own e-commerce business. You'll have a roadmap as to what you should do. As a bonus, I'm going to share all the tools, all the resources that I'm using to run my e-commerce business. So if you want to join this workshop, check out the link in the description below or visit jump.lk/academy. jump.lk/academy to join our next workshop. If you are new to this channel, my name is Nishan De Silva. I'm the founder of Jump.lk. Jump is a place where you can learn skills that are not taught in schools or universities. So if you want to start your own business and make money, go check out Jump.lk, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be publishing videos just like this in the future. And until our next video, keep crushing it.